All right, this is going to be one of the banks of elevators here at the Residence Inn near SeaWorld in Orlando. We're with Genessee Elevators.
This is the hotel I'm staying at.
Let's go down first.
Oh, down? Okay.
Yeah, I want to get a full trip up.
Gotcha. Oops, we have a choice, it looks like. Nice. Which one?
This one.
One that goes down, okay. You can go ahead and push it, I mean.
Interesting how the open and close, it's like they were replaced with older series one. This is newer though. This place opened in 2003.
New old stock.
Here we are on one. Let's go to 6. And here we go.
The fan in the other elevator is extremely annoying. It really is.
Here we are in 6. There's your interlock. Let me get a quick look at the call button. The call buttons were replaced with Series M2 recently. Other than that, these are still original. All right. And we'll go back down to 1.
Alrighty.
And we'll go to the other bank. Nudge mode.
Yep. Gotta love a nudge mode on a Series 1. Pretty decent elevator. Hey, Julian.
Hello.
Stopping on 4. Going down.
Yes.
Yeah.
1.
Yes,
Yes.
please. Thank you. You're matching. Blue mask over. Good for you.
Here we are. Back at 1.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.
Where's the other bank at?
I'll show you. Yep. That'll be it.